Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll share with you about FeedMe payment integration. So first, there's two methods. One is pay in front of the device by scanning the QR code, or pay with using the dual screen or using the V3 Mix device. Or customer pay online through the online ordering in the website. Thank you.
So before the apply, I need to explain all the concept first. So the customer do the payment at the FeedMe POS system. So either customer scan the FeedMe QR code that show in the device, or the merchant use the FeedMe device to scan customer QR code. Then it will send request to the payment gateway server. Then it will send request to the bank. Then after that, once approved, customer check out the bill, and then the bank will return to the money after deduct the transaction fees and get back to the merchant after 1 day. Here's the rate. Offline means the customer and the merchant settle and check out the bill in front of the counter. Online means customer order through the online ordering mini apps or the website. If you want to know more, you can refer to this link and have a read on this. So first, you need to apply for the payment integration. So go to the FeedMe portal, click on the menu, then refer to the payment. First, you need to activate the payout account for the online ordering and payment onboarding for the offline, which is this one, or pay in counter. Then click apply and follow the step, fill in all the details and your payout details and your documents such as your trading license, except for the terms and conditions. Once approved, you show like this is active. Then please inform us your application, then we will follow up for you. After that, once approved, you show the active. Go to the FeedMe POS system, click on the menu, go to setting, click here and click payment. So it will show this active. Then preset payment method, you can click active payment method and just tick the payment method. Let's say I want to tick for online card or touch and go. After that, just click confirm. Then during check out the payment, click payment, it will show like this. If it's activate, it will show a button allow the customer to scan. You can refer the video. Then, in FeedMe portal, you can check on the transaction. From here, you can select your outlet and select on the date. Or here, to refer each receipts. Or you can refer to settlement to check off the settlements for a day. So for the FeedMe, you also support for the FeedMe terminal, with the plan, or with the pure terminal which is provided by the bank. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari POS system, cari Seng.
Find Guinness phone, find out.
Aseng.
找POS system, 找Seng.